Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update your sitemap in Google Search Console. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Once you're in, go to the Sitemaps tab on the left panel. Here, you'll see the sitemap you previously submitted. Now, click on it and open the sitemap. Here, you'll see a list of URL groups or pages that Google is allowed to crawl. This includes URLs for posts, pages, categories, and other parts of your website depending on your sitemap setup. To update your sitemap, we first need to delete the existing one. So go back to Search Console. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Remove Sitemap. Click Remove again to confirm. Now, it's time to submit a new sitemap. Go back to the tab where your old sitemap is open. At the end of the URL, copy sitemap_index.xml. Once copied, return to Search Console. Paste it into the Add a New Sitemap field and click Submit. You should see then a success status for your new and updated sitemap. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.